Hi there guys, this is LRC22 Flexi Filler. It does exactly what it says. It's very, very flexible, but where this comes into its forte is if you have a lot of surface cracking all over the surface of your leather item, like on an old Chesterfield or an old antique piece of furniture or a classic car for that matter, this is going to work exceptionally well on the surface where it's got a lot of cracking to the leather. So you would remove the surface colour first of all, or at least some of it, and then that is where LRC22 is going to come into play perfectly. You would get some out with the spatula. It's a paste, paste it out and just paste that into the surface of the leather item that you're wishing to repair. It is great for like high wear areas or ultra fine cracking on the surface. So get it onto your spatula. Obviously make sure your surface is all prepped and clean and stuff for that and dry. Spatula that in, make it nice and smooth. Once it's dry, which you can speed up with the hairdryer, sand down with your sandpaper, either like a 320 or a 1200 grit sandpaper is absolutely fine. See if it needs a second coating. If it does, apply again, allow it to dry, sand it, and then start applying your Leather Repair Company leather paint. It's as simple as that. Once you've got LRC22 on, make sure it's dry, sand it, and then apply your Leather Repair Company leather colour paint. So hop on over to the website and buy your LRC22 today. It is the Leather Repair Company Flexi Filler, leatherrepaircompany.com.